soft, creamy, fluffy baked potatoes with a salty and crispy skin. We are going to make this in an air fryer, and guys, this is called comfort food, especially on a chilly day. Let's make this together. For this recipe, make sure to use potatoes that are nice and starchy. I'm using Russett potatoes, and make sure to also scrub the skin of the potatoes really well because the skin is going to turn nice and crispy and we will enjoy that thoroughly. Clean the potatoes, dab it with a towel and start poking holes using a fork. We want to poke holes because the steam needs to escape when the potatoes are baking. Next, we are going to quickly brush the potatoes with some olive oil. Brush well on both sides, and next we are going to get ready to sprinkle the potatoes with a good amount of salt and pepper powder. And our potatoes go inside our air fryer basket. We are going to set the temperature at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. I'm going to set the time to 45 minutes. These potatoes are 5 by 3 inch in size. If you have smaller potatoes, then you can set the time to about 35 minutes. And while our potatoes are baking, let's make a yummy topping with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, some freshly ground black pepper, salt to taste, about a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, some chopped spring onion greens or chives, some freshly chopped coriander stems that add so much flavor, and for some zing, I love adding pickled jalapenos, a little bit of lime juice, and lots of shredded Parmesan cheese. And our yummy topping is ready. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe if you like yummy recipes every week. Alright, it's been 45 minutes and let's take a look at our baked potatoes. If your fork goes right in, you know that it's soft and creamy inside and it feels crisp outside. Guys, this is going to be so good. Let's cut into it. Wow, these are steaming hot, and can you tell how soft and fluffy it looks inside? I'm going to just try to fluff it up a little bit, and in all those little pockets stuff in some cheese, and we want the cheese to melt a little. So let's shut the potato close for a minute or so and open it back up, and you will have melted cheese pockets inside. Yes. And next, let's fill up the potato with, top the potato with some of the topping we made. This topping is so creamy and cheesy and tangy. We'll garnish with some coriander leaves or chives and lots of red chili flakes because I love it spicy. Guys, this baked potato is going to make you feel so cozy, especially when it's chilly and cold outside. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. So that's all for today, my friends. If you're on any of these different social media sites, I would love it if you'd follow me. For written recipes, you can always visit my blog. It's called nupursindiankitchen.com. If you haven't subscribed as yet, do it. I post exciting recipes like this every week. And don't forget to press the notification bell so the next recipe comes straight to you. Alright then, bye-bye.